Very dark man. Mo gbọ́ níbì kan tó sọ nínú fídíò kan wípé
people don't want me to continue with the group chat. I would stop.
Wọ́n bí ọ̀dà kó dúró. I know you. I kade be nkan tó rí un. Tó fi jọ pé group tí wọ́n ṣí l'October, wọ́n mọ̀ nípa ikú ọmọ tó kú September. Ó ṣàlàyé fáwa tá jẹ́ Nigerians. They are trying, because right now it's quite evident it's no longer justice from mobad from your own end. It is now justice for Naira Marley and Sam Larry. But let me tell you something, my brother, you will fail. Oh. In fact, you have failed already on this case. So my case ọmọ yìí, mobad yìí náà ló gbé ọ sókè. Ló jẹ́ káwọn èèyàn mọ̀ torí bá tó dá gbogbo aribo pé Sam Larry ló lọ́mọ. Tó yẹ pé àwọn kan tẹ̀ tó ṣe photoshop tó yẹ pé àṣẹ lè àmú chocolate skin caramel lọ́mọlọ́mọ. Àwọn kan tún fi filter sọmọ lórí kó lè bá jọ Sam Larry. Àwọn kan tún photoshop ojú Sam Larry sí tó wá jẹ́ kékeré. Tó yẹ pé picture yẹn ni wọ́n ń gbé kiri ńgbà náà. You remember you were the one who took our attention to that. So rántí, sórí gbogbo àwọn tó rí nísìn tó jẹ́ wípé wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti ibi pẹlẹbẹ tán wá gòkè àgbà tí wọ́n wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní bólówó jẹun bólówó mu. They didn't get to that pace. They never attained that height by bringing down those rich people. One thing people don't know about you is you are so eager to be among the rich people and you don't care destroying their image so that they can call you and tell you, oh yeah, come. Kí ló fẹ́. And let me tell you something, in case you don't know what's going on right now. Have you observed that everyone you called out, they will follow you and become your friend? Do you know what that means? They are buying you. And one of the tragic things that happens to an activist is when the people you call out becomes your friend. Tí wọ́n bá hùwà burúkú ńgbà mi ò ní lè sọ̀rọ̀. In case you have not known, because I remember when this case happened, before you we remember how you were on that case, how you were telling people, oh, this is the real thing that happened, kiniko. But all of a sudden, a single meet with Naira Marley, sure, just because Naira Marley has that influence, Naira Marley, public, Egbo, Nimbo, the Lagos state government, governor, Lowey. I understand you want to get to that position. You want to use Naira Marley to climb to that position. It is understandable. You are a social climber. And you will use everyone to get to that height. Davido. Once Davido followed you, nígbà tí Burna Boy náà follow rẹ̀, aribo ṣe tún yanky Davido. Àwọn tí wọ́n bá mọ̀ ni wọ́n mọ̀ kọ̀rọ̀ rẹ̀ kún. You are just a social climber. And I know the only thing you want right now. You remember all this one that everyone is saying, even before this whole thing happened, Shonati, you were the same person that said Iyabo and her daughter are sleeping with the same man. When that girl got married, you were the same person that told us that one boy have come and marry one man. Before you know that, the mama go they follow the in Peking, Kineka sleep, in Kineka. She did not answer you. When Davido did his wedding, so nothing to say. One invite Iyabo, koto dipe kini jade. Every single time you say something and then that thing doesn't work with what you say, you debunk. School uniform, charity work. But let me tell you something. Cancellation of Naira Marley didn't start when that boy died. Because all of a sudden, everyone tried to make it look like the reason why Naira Marley was cancelled in the first place was because of the boy's death. No, it has nothing to do with the boy's death. Naira Marley has been cancelled while that boy was alive. And you see this particular video I'm about to play was what sealed it from Naira Marley. Aside the tweet, Tomo yen tweet each time Toba Shen kan buruku fun ninu beyen.
Na mobile you know say it was na ṣe ìbàjẹ́ ẹ̀kọ́ tó ṣe fún mi lọ síbẹ̀ ni mo sọ pé mi fẹ́ mánéjà ọmọ òpè kíní kan mo fẹ́ mánéjà ara mi ọ̀hún ló sọ fún mi lọ́rọ̀ ṣe fún mi gbogbo ara mi tẹ́lẹ̀ ṣe fídíò everything.
Now you see this single word from that boy's mouth, kò sí wàhálà. Ìhun tó tún wá funny jù òun náà ni how we now saw the reoccurrence of Sam Larry bullying that boy. In fact, what you guys did to that boy is more than bully. You assaulted him. You made his life miserable. You turned that 20-something-years-old boy to an hypertensive patient. And one of the things about being hypertensive, because more video ìyá ọmọ náà sì yẹn.
Abẹ́rẹ́ tó sọ pé òun fún nìyẹn o. Tetanus injection, paracetamol àti antibiotics. Nǹkan tó fún nìyẹn o.
Àwọn nǹkan tí ìyá yẹn tó sọ pé òun fún tetanus injection bẹ́ẹ̀ torí wọ́n ló ní cut níbi wound, and I won't even say ẹ̀jẹ̀ tí wọ́n pariwo pé wọ́n rí, I won't be surprised if it's that small blood from that cut tó yí bed sheet tó fẹ́ kára mọ́ ìgbà tẹ́ pé pool of blood ni. Orí ọmọlọ́mọ náà tó wọ́nu pósí, ṣé pósí size rẹ̀ lẹ́ra ọ̀nà ìdá torí òní bẹ́ǹdì. Mo ṣàrántí gbà náà táwọn èèyàn bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní bú ẹni tó kan pósí tóun ti ẹ̀rọ pé kóun tiẹ̀ fi kóun náà fi popular kóun lòun kan pósí Mohbad, èébú lòun náà bá bọ̀ ńbẹ̀. Kó tó wá sọ fún wa wípé bàbá yẹn ni kò farabalẹ̀ kóun kan pósí gidi fọ́mọ rẹ̀. Was that not what happened? But let me tell you something. You see this case, now you revive your career, and I'm sure if you're not careful, now you will still bring your career down. Because right now, a lot of people have sense. You see, whatever game you're trying to play, a lot of people have seen through you. Exactly what it is. Now let me tell you something. Naira Marley was not cancelled because Mobad died. Naira Marley was cancelled because of what he did. And the fact that someone was trying to say the fact that Naira Marley was not at home when Kinikan happened. But we also saw Sam Larry, who turns out to be Naira Marley's friend, frustrating the boy. But you want us to now feel like Naira Marley. So it is a must for Naira to be in Nigeria before they can discipline the late Mobad with something that they call a way can just do. Now you know they wait, make the person way won't send the message they there physically before the message will be delivered. We are not stupid. Now let me tell you something, dear Naira Marley. Forget about this Mobad case. Let me tell you why your career is what it is right now. So nígbà tó kọ́kọ́ dé tó sàwọn ọmọdé ẹni tí ò fẹ́ wọ bẹ́ẹ̀tì, tó sàwọn obìnrin dọ́mọ tí ò fẹ́ wọ pátá, tó sàwọn ọmọdé ẹni tí ń ya tattoo rẹ̀ sórí itan, sórí ọmú, sórí gbogbo rẹ̀. Now let me tell you why your career has actually come down. Aside Mobad's death, which was the thing that made everyone to know who you truly are, because the only thing we know about you was you are a chain smoker, but we never really know the in-depth of what is happening in your record label. Now that thing happening in your record label is what is evident to people who are in the same industry for you, and that is why they want to stop you. It is not about Mobad's case. And you know that is more reason why, because they know that those kids that were with you, Mobad ló kú, àwọn tó kù wọ́n wà láyé àmọ́ wọ́n ti kú sára. That is the more reason why people in the industry are trying to fight you. But also, they think it's Mobad death that is making some of the people in the industry know. They know what you are doing to those young boys. And that is what they are trying to curb. Which I feel like in now, as I was saying, so what about today? A lot of those people who were your fans then want to dagba, elomi ti diya, elomi ti di baba, want to beresini bimo. Even Zino that is with you would have give you an insight of the fact that your fans are no longer kids. They've started having children. That is why your stardom has reduced a little bit. That's number one. Number two, the main reason why your stardom has reduced, let me tell you, even if Mobad did not die, what is happening to Naira now is bound to happen someday. Ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì yàtọ̀ sí pé àwọn fans rẹ̀ tó onígbà náà orí wọn ti pé gbogbo wọn ti dìyà wọn ti bàbá oníkálùkù ti mọ gàrí lómi àjẹsùn. They no longer have time for what they used to do back then. Is this not the same you? I understand the pain that you are feeling. Èmi tó jẹ́ pé tí EFCC bá gbé mi báyìí, àwọn ọmọ oró ti tòjọ́ sórí EFCC office tí wọ́n mọ hail mi. I understand that. Now that fame is not there. Àmọ́ gbogbo àwọn tí wọ́n hail rẹ̀ ńgbà náà, ayé ti kọlu everybody. Wọ́n ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní mọ gàrí ló ń jẹ àjẹsùn. Oníkálùkù ti inú àwọn obìnrin tí wọ́n ya tattoo rẹ̀ sọ́mú tí wọ́n wá pátá nígbà náà. Ẹlòmíì ti ń gbọ́mọ méjì kiri. Life has come out to them. Now your own inability, which is going to be my second point on why what is happening to you is happening to your career right now, is because of your inability to switch. And it's quite funny how people want to lie that you have been cancelled. Nigerians don't cancel people. Nigerians cancel èèyàn. Ṣó yẹ ká máa gbọ́ nípa èèyàn bí Miss Madam Kemi Olúnlọ́yọ̀. Mọ dédé irọ́ tó pa nípa Davido àti Chioma. Mọ dédé irọ́ tó pa nípa Pastor Suleiman. Mọ dédé irọ́ tó nísìnyí gan ṣe bá tún gbọ́ tó ní surrogate ní Priscilla. Ó ní surrogate ní Priscilla ṣe. So you kill you, but when you go to our page right now, a lot of people are saying, wow, you are a very good journalist, so Nigeria need you. Nigerians will still follow you. tó bá yẹ pé yẹ kí wọ́n cancel yàn pẹ̀lú wà burúkú ni ìyá wa Yẹlẹ́kùnmẹ̀ àwọn tí ẹ̀ tó sọ èèyàn kan bímọ sílé alágbo àfìgbà tẹ́lẹ̀ lẹ́ni mú proof wa níbi tí wọ́n ti ń sọ operation fún lágbájá kan ọkọ òun Ìyábọ̀ ló ra fóònù fún ìyàwó kí wọ́n lè snap sákàrù ọkọ òun yìí kan náà ni ọ́díò kan ti jáde ní ìsìn níbi tó tún ti sọ fún yẹn ẹlòmíì wípé àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ ọkọ òun.
ṣé o mọ̀ pé àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ aláàjì tímọ́tímọ́ tálájì ò lè kọ̀rọ̀ sí lẹ́nu ní lọ bá Fọlá pé kí ó máa rìkọ́ọ̀dù aláàjì.
mọye rọ tí wọ́n ti debunki but yet this person is still here with our own warriors supporting her. Nigeria did not cancel her. Mi ti rí bí wàrẹ́ ṣe fẹ́ burú tó ìyá yìí náà kí ni wọ́n ń pè ìyá yìí náà ẹ sábọ̀dù. Ìyá yìí kò tiẹ̀ yẹ kí irú èèyàn bí ìyá yìí ó tiẹ̀ mọ́ gbérí mọ́ lórí íńtánẹ́ẹ̀tì because when this woman came what was she doing? She was talking about her private parts, an elderly woman. Someone like that should have been cancelled a long time ago. But guess what? Till today, yes, ma, yes, ma, yes. Nigerians don't cancel people. And the lie you guys are telling, also the TikTok, you only raining 24/7. But guess what? Which of your songs are raining? The song where you speak about bum, where you speak about breast. And one thing about those kind of songs, they are never ever green. They are song of the moment. And that is it. They are not songs that can make you last in the industry. Tomak pe Davido CB Komoleni olórin tí ó kọ. Tomak pe CB Wedding Lane olórin tí ó kọ. Ni wọ́n bá pe Whiskey CB Komoleni olórin tí ó kọ. Tomak pe CB Wedding Lane olórin tí ó kọ. Let's take Mr. Kwamwan for example. Of how you guys should understand the fact that àwọn ni burúkú tẹ́ ńkọ́ kò lè jẹ́ elastic nínú industry tó bá ti foni gidi kan sí táwọn èèyàn fi mọ̀ mọ́. Ṣé rántí Alhaji Kwamwan nígbà tí wọ́n kọ ẹ̀yin ìyá mo fẹ́ mu yàn yín. Wọ́n kọ ẹ̀yin ìyá Isempe later tí wọ́n ṣe wá kọ ẹ̀yin ìyá mo fẹ́ mu yàn yín. Ẹ dákun torí Ọlọ́run kó ṣe torí pé wọ́n kọ ìyá mo fẹ́ mu yẹn nígbà tí wọ́n ṣe ń bẹ́ boys ṣé wọ́n kọ àkàrà dúdú mi Jùmọ̀kẹ́ jẹ́ mẹ́rin robo tó lẹ́nu Jùmọ̀kẹ́ o. Now there is an elderly person and his fans are the elderly ones. Èwo nú àwọn orin yẹn ló ń pave way fún wọn. Imagine those are the only 2 songs he have in his lifetime. Those 2 songs tí ò ń ṣe nǹkan tí yẹ kí yẹn mọ̀ gbọ́ sétí. Imagine those are the 2 songs. Kí ni bàbá yóò mọ̀ jẹ lọ́jọ́ ogbó rẹ̀ nísìn? Absolutely nothing. Kí ni ó mọ̀ kọ? That is one of the reasons why you are down. And let me tell you the final reason why your career is what it is today. Gbogbo record label pátápátá ni wọ́n ní issue pẹ̀lú àwọn èèyàn wọn. Now let's talk about YBNL. This is Lil Kesh when he was with YBNL. This is Lil Kesh after he left YBNL. Ṣé wọ́n ní issue? Ṣé agbọ́rúmọ̀ pé wọ́n ní issue? Agbọ́rúmọ̀. This is Asake when he was with YBNL. This is Asake after he left YBNL. Shagborumo kun won issue. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni agbo. Ija lọ sí Mavins. This was Korede Bello when he was with Mavins Record. This is Korede Bello after he left Mavins Record. This was Ricardo Banks when he was with Mavins Record. This is Ricardo Banks after leaving Mavins Record. Isn't it? Gbogbo àwọn ọmọ tí ẹ tó sign lọ́jọ́ kìíní àná. So right now I got former artists that are signed to my record label right now. So now I want to call out all my artists. Let's talk about all of them. Where are they today? Mobad, dead. As a result of what? As a result of the bully. Yes. Because tetanus is one from. Let's talk about cardiovascular effect of that tetanus. Oman for heart rate. Oman for kinio. That's the reason. Eh, kinyo nkan tí wọ́n pè ní aluki. Ṣé mo káwọn ya kan wà ní site pé títí wọ́n fi gbọ́rọ̀ mọ́. Ìgbádùn tí wọ́n ti jẹ nílé ọkọ. Láti ìgbà tí wọ́n ti ń bẹ ní sisi. Òun ní affect wọn lójoogbó tẹ́lẹ̀ tí àmì ò gbọ́rọ̀ mọ́ tètè rẹ̀ ò ṣiṣẹ́ mọ́. Aluki. Those are the things that affected that injection. But if you guys don't want to believe it, then open your colon. Because that tetanus injection in your total hypertension, but it has its own side effects. Now, let's talk about your own record label people. Mobad, where is he today? He is dead. The second person, C Black. Where is he today? Yes, he is now bedridden, sick, and paralyzed. Fabian Blue, after that boy called you out, Tony Pepesi, I want to continue record label nìkan ló ń promote òun.
Lọ́mọlọ́mọ bá lọ sásàlà Fẹ́mi ẹ̀ fáwọn àsìkò kan àfi bá a ṣe rí tí Iyabo Òjó ràn lọ́wọ́ bó ṣe ran DJ Splash náà lọ́wọ́ DJ Splash ọ̀hún náà ṣe gbọ́ ọmọlọ́mọ ṣe rí kó tó dọ́dọ̀ rẹ̀ rí ńgbà tó yá ṣe bó ṣe padà rí náà ńgbà tó kúrò lọ́dọ̀ rẹ̀ rí.
Zinoliski, we all saw what that boy looked like when he came to you. Fine boy, dudu, melanin popping, model structure, lanky, oraga. Omore, biori aiku, biori ajai. You have bad record as an artist. You have bad record. As a record label master, you have bad record. These are the things that killed your career. Even if Mobad did not die, my brother, this thing happening to you is bound to happen. And it's crazy how some of us will say, Naira Marley bullied Mobad. And the next question someone will say is, was it the bully that killed him? Hey! Bully ti wá di ká máa lùyàn kiri, ká máa ṣègbà, ká máa ṣàwo. Nígbà tí ó bá ṣá ti kú, ń dá yín lẹ́bi. Tẹ́ bá rí ibi tí wọ́n ti ń na ọmọ ẹlòmíì lánàá bàjẹ́, kí làwọn àgbàlagbà tí ń bẹ̀m̀bẹ̀ ó sọ? Má ṣe nàwa náà nìyẹn gbà kékeré àṣà àkú àwárí lọ́jọ́ òní. That trauma is now being passed down from generation to generation. Mi rí gbogbo yín dá lẹ́bi, ikú ló bọlá jẹ́. Àmọ́ nǹkan tí mo mọ̀ tó clear, the court has done its own. Nǹkan tó bá wọ ẹlòmíì kó gbé wá. Idea tó bá wọ ẹlòmíì kí wọ́n parọ́ fún yín pé kinní kan ló ṣẹlẹ̀. Oníkálùkù ó bẹ̀rù rẹ̀ níbo.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am pleading in Yoruba. I am begging. Sorry. Mo ń bẹ̀ yín. Stick to Orokilawa TV. You will love it. Orokilawa will offer you nothing but 100% pure entertainment. Subscribe if you have not subscribed. And keep watching our content because big things is coming on that channel. Yeah. Orokilawa.